So it looks like a game show. I do apologise. There are 4 topics. I thought it was nice to sort of show you what we're going to go through from this perspective. Each time we go into one, we're going to create a situation. We'll give you a scenario. We'll both do a bit of demonstrations, and then you'll decide which is the best. What I wanted to do first, actually, for simplicity, Rob's going to give you the scenario in a moment. But for simplicity, I thought we'd do something cool. What we're going to have is a 2-minute demo. So I've got 2 minutes to put together a document, and Rob's got 2 minutes to put together a page, and we'll let you weigh out what you think was the best result. Rob, do you want to discuss the scenario?
Yep. Chris has been up all night doing the animation. So it seemed pretty basic, but that was about 12 animation steps to make that happen.
I was thinking of animating it more, but it was coming up to 1 in the morning, and I thought, no, call it quits.
Okay, so with simplicity, we've just put together a more specific idea. So what we wanted to be able to do was, in a marketing team, there's a new product, and we need to share that information about that new product within the company. Yeah, so it's an internal thing. So Chris is going to have 2 minutes to make a document, but also get that document into SharePoint so people can find it, and then I'll have the same amount of time just to create a page. Yeah, fairly basic document, sort of thing that any user would work with.
We're using Matthew Dermott has already sort of done a demonstration in this room earlier this morning, and he used a site based on pet products. And I thought, I'm gutted because I just created a site based on pet products.
We didn't copy him.
It's a
We've
popular
had our
choice.
example for ages.
Yeah, I think he copied us. So it's our SharePoint environment. So what I want to do is I want to create a marketing flyer for a new range of dog collars that we have. We're looking for volunteers, and we've got a few pictures of our adorable dogs to put into this. So I'm going to start demonstrating. This is just a standard SharePoint library. This SharePoint instance is completely out of the box, not customized. It's all standard. So it hopefully should be reflective of something you're familiar with. I'm going to get started. So I'm going to take my 2 minutes, and I'm going to put together a nice document in Microsoft Word. So let's crack on. So the value is that I can create a document directly in SharePoint. So I didn't have to go in and upload it later. I'm just going to go straight into the SharePoint browser and click on New Document.
It's a shame that Word takes so long to come up. If that was a page, I would have been there, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate that. I hate it when it's just loading and it takes so... Imagine that across like 30,000 users and all that, those users waiting for those documents. Oh, I hate that. Doesn't even matter how fast your computer is. Word always just takes that time to come up. Pages wouldn't do that to you.
So, as Rob uses his psychology against me...
it's just a fact. That was all.
It is a fact. So I've got a bit of a feature here where I can just drag documents directly into Word. That saves me a lot of time. I thought that was very helpful. And I just want to quickly put some type formatting on these pictures, and this will help me group them together when I do a picture layout.
Look at all those buttons. It's really complex. Pages don't have that many buttons.
I'm not having that. The ribbon is very helpful because I've just done that in the matter of seconds. So I hope you like these dogs. Top one's our dog. My brother's dog's the one in the middle.
And Benji's
Rob's dog,
at the bottom.
Benji at the bottom.
It's a terror.
Sorry, Jackie, I would have had your dog in, but I couldn't access any photos. So I'm sure I'm sort of infringing my time here, but I think that already looks quite good. No, it's not 2 minutes yet. So what I'm going to do is just finish up. I'll probably do insert word art, and we'll probably
find it in all the menus. There's loads of buttons in Word.
And I might make that just sort of sit up there so the arrow's pointing up. So just to finish up, I'm just going to pop that straight back into SharePoint. Just need. Oh, this is costing me precious seconds here because it has to call the SharePoint instance.
Word says not responding. It does that.
Isn't
it really easy?
Thank God, I know that RPMs does that.
We just. No, no. This whole no heckling from your whole group.
There's more to come.
Oh, come on. Can't even type in a name at the moment, so new collars. And let's just finish that there. So you may have noticed that I actually using the document information panel, I actually put the metadata into my document whilst I had the document open. So that's a very, very handy feature there.
As long as you've got the right version of Word, you'll be able to do that. That'll be fine.